This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rose water. First, gather about 2 cups of fresh, fragrant rose petals, ensuring they are free from pesticides. Gently rinse these petals under cool water to remove any impurities. Next, prepare your equipment. You'll need a large pot with a lid and a smaller, heat-safe bowl that can fit inside the pot. This setup is crucial for the distillation process. Now, let's distill. Place your heat-safe bowl in the center of the large pot. Arrange the rinsed rose petals around the bowl. Pour enough distilled water into the pot to just cover the petals, being careful not to get water into the inner bowl. Invert the pot's lid and place it on top. Simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the steam to condense. To enhance condensation, place a few ice cubes on top of the inverted lid. As the steam rises, it will hit the cold lid, condense, and drip as pure rose water into the bowl. Once cooled, carefully remove the inner bowl. Transfer your freshly made rose water into a clean, airtight bottle. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks for optimal freshness. Beyond rose water, rose petals offer many delightful uses. You can dry them to create beautiful, fragrant potpourri or small sachets for your drawers. Infuse fresh petals in a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond, to make a soothing, aromatic skin oil. You can also steep fresh or dried petals in hot water to brew a delicate and calming rose tea. Enjoy the versatility of roses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.